to get 1099 from Uber. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get 1099 from your Uber account. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your Uber driver account. So just go to the official website of Uber drivers where you have logged in as a driver on the Uber platform. Just simply log into your account using your credentials, and if you don't have an account, just simply click on sign up and create an account for yourself. And in order to get the 1099 text form from the Uber driver from official website, you need to first check the criteria for getting the 1099 text form. So if you have met the earning threshold, receive 1099s, they should be available the text information tab by January 31st. In addition, you should be able to download them in your driver app under the accounts and text info and text form section. If you meet the earning threshold by 1099s and opt for receive a physical copy of your text document, you should receive them in the mail after February 1st, 2023. When the text documents are available, you will share a notification over email. When text documents are available, you will share notification over email and in-app. If you qualify to receive a 1099, the easiest way to access your document is to download it directly from your driver dashboard. And you need to follow these steps, like you first need to log into your driver.uber.com account and click on the text information section and just click on that tab. And after that, just click on download next to your text when you will see that it is available. And in addition, you should also be able to download them in your driver app under the account section when you open the text info and the text form section. For an electronic and mail delivery, you should also ensure that your profile reflects your legal name by visiting the text settings on the driver.uber.com account. So this is basically how you will be able to get your 1099 from your Uber. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.